What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the DJI Flip, and it's a pretty good beginner drone, but I think there are some other really good options out there. Like this. This is the DJI Mini 4K. It's less expensive and has a pretty good camera. Or this guy, the DJI Neo, also has propeller guards, and it's $200. And then there's this. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and it packs a pretty powerful camera in this tiny form factor. So this is one video in a series of 4 that I'm making that will compare these 4 drones to each other. And our goal here is to figure out which is the best drone for you based on price, specs, camera, day flight, night flight, all sorts of different things. Now, once upon a time, DJI sent me a drone to review. That was the DJI Air 2. They haven't done that since because I talk about both the good and the bad. So if you want to hear the pros and the cons of each one of these drones and how they compare to this guy, the newest one, the Flip, stay tuned. And today in this video, we're looking at the Flip versus the DJI Mini 4K. All right, let's do a deeper dive into these two drones. So when we look at the Flip and the Neo, they're actually pretty comparable, right? The Neo you can think of as a mini Flip, or you can think of the Flip as a Neo Pro. But the Neo is great because it's so small and compact and portable. But with that come the negatives, right? It's not as good in the wind, and it doesn't have as good of a camera as the Flip does. Also, the Neo, the thing that it does have that the Flip doesn't is you can actually fly it with goggles, and you can fly it in manual mode or acro mode, which is a whole different level of fun. Both of these drones kind of have that new direction that DJI is going with, where you can fly with your phone, you can fly it with multiple different remotes. There's lots of different ways to fly these drones, even without a phone. So that's awesome. They're both portable in that sense. But, when it comes down to the camera, which is what we're going to look at now, that is where the Flip really distances itself from the Neo. So we're going to look at some similar shots. I'm going to start with the Flip here, and then we're going to do the same shot with the Neo, and I'm going to kind of use that pattern. I'll do some side by side, but here is the Flip, and as I pan this tower, you can kind of see how it gets pushed around in the wind, and that is actually going to be true for the Neo as well, right? Neither one of these are the greatest in the wind, but I can tell you that the Flip is significantly better as you see this getting pushed around as I get higher in the air. Now here is another clip from the Flip, and I think in the daytime both of these drones are gonna look pretty fantastic. The Neo, it looks good. Now it is slower, right? It's a smaller drone, it's not nearly as powerful, and that is something. I do love flying the Neo with goggles, right? That's a cool thing that you cannot do with the Flip. But here they are side by side. You can see the colors are a little bit different, but I think in the daytime they both do all right. Now we're gonna look at nighttime, and that's really where the difference is gonna be. Again, another daytime video, I should say, and it looks pretty good coming out of both drones. Here's where I think you're really going to see some separation from the Flip and the Neo. The Flip just looks fantastic in lower light situations, where the Neo with the 1/2-inch sensor, the lower bit rate, it just isn't good enough. I think it's decent, but yeah, it just isn't nearly good enough. And in this particular shot, as I got higher with the Neo, it really struggled in the wind, whereas the Flip was okay. People complain about the Flip in the wind. Sure, it's not perfect, but it certainly is better than Neo. Time for some noise test comparisons. And thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so you don't miss any of these videos that I have on any of these drones. If you're looking for drones with higher price points that do more or less expensive drones, I also have videos on those. And if you're looking to go Pro and you need a Part 107 license, I have lots of information on how you can do that, as well as videos and tutorials and stuff like that, all for Patreons, again, in the video description down below. If you want to buy one of these things, yes, I have affiliate links. That's how we make money to support the channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. Go on over to Amazon, buy one of these drones, or you need a pair of socks, buy one of those. It gives us a little commission so we can keep making videos for you. Hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.